Welcome to HealthGlean Guides. Let us make air purifier sizing simple. Before you buy, use a room size calculator to estimate the CADR range that actually fits your bedroom. CADR means clean air delivery rate. It is a practical comparison number for how much filtered air a purifier can move each minute. Here is the quick starting point. Many bedrooms can start around 2/3 of the room square footage as CADR. A 100 square foot room starts around 65 CADR. A 150 square foot room starts around 100 CADR. A 200 square foot room starts around 130 CADR. Now this is where buyers often miss something important. Check quiet mode too, because the strongest fan setting may be too loud for overnight use. Then compare HEPA wording, replacement filter cost, energy use, and whether ionizer features can be turned off. This is general product sizing education, not medical advice. Use the HealthGlean calculator linked in the description to estimate your room, compare specs, and build a smarter shortlist.